What do you guys think? Should I keep the name VeldesOffroading? Or should I change it to something more mechanic-like? Alright, I'm going to be working on this Silverado today. I'm going to be putting stock suspension back on the rear. My dreams of a lowered work truck, I'm going to take them away right now because this thing really needs a C-notch for how low I got the back, so the axle is just smacking the frame. So we're going to put stock suspension back on. It was a flip kit, but I went ahead and got the stock U-bolt plates so I can flip the axle back underneath the leaf spring instead of over the leaf spring. So yeah, we'll be doing this today. So we gotta find the rear end, get down here nice and cozy. This is gonna take a while. Lowered truck life. I really want to put a straight axle in it, make it full wheel drive. But really ain't got the parts to do that right now. That's high enough to get the wheels off of it right now. Then I grab some jack stands and throw them underneath. Wore me out. I built some air up. I went ahead and got the other cap off the other side while it was building air. So I get this cap off and then we'll zip the wheels off and then figure out where we're going to put some jack stands. And then I'll probably get the drive shaft loose first, just so that I remember I don't pull it out of tranny. So we'll get the other side real quick. As you can see, we don't have a lot of space in there. I barely can get a finger in there, so that's the reason for this. Smacks going up and down the driveway, smacks when you hit a hard bump, and honestly, I'm just tired of it. So now I'm going to put jack stands underneath it. I got to find my jack stands. Finger. Thought my pins are in it. On the frame right there. That one right there and that one over there. Slowly let her down there. I really need a floor mat. In here. Alright, this is 11. I was way off on the original, but we can get it off still. come over like the axle over here to try to get a good grip on it. This one. Oh. My mic is on my hat. My hat fell off, so hopefully you guys can still hear me. Last couple videos I didn't use the mic. I've been having troubles with them, and I guess they just wasn't charged up right. I let them charge for a good long while, and they both seem to be working. So. Found it. Could not find it. Where am I headed? Dry shaft is out. Get that loose, whatever size that is. 13. Thought this would be a little bit easier real quick. There she goes. Get that loose. Get that out of there. Need to do the same thing with this thing. Get that loose. Get my cutters. Get that out of there. We are back on the lowered truck, trying to make it stock again. I got everything unbolted but the axle. I've been trying to remember how I did it last time. I know it wasn't fun, but normal way you do it is get the shackle in the back loosened up and drop it down. But I'm pretty sure I had a tough time trying to get those out because I was bought a set of lowering shackles for it a while back and attempted to put those on, and frozen shackle bolts was kind of giving me some trouble. So I think I'm just gonna unbolt it, zip it off, unbolt the axle on both sides, and start wiggling it around, seeing what I can do with it. So let's jump into that. Slow but surely. Now I gotta get the other side. I got my hanger hose. Need electric. One of these days I'll get some electric. I'm more about the reliable stuff. Lift this sucker up some. I guess I didn't think that through. Let me see if I can roll it back. I'm gonna go and take the nut off this bottom shackle bolt and probably the other side, because there ain't no way I did it without doing that. And we'll see what we can do from there. I'm turn the light off thinking it was the phone. Hey, that bolt does come out of there. Hammer. Try to get that one beneath it. We'll come in off the side. And this is just going to pour it down. Well, if you can hear me, my mic is on my hat. And the hat fell off. Not to get no squished fingers. Yeah, wrap that down a lot. Yeah. There we go. Got that loose. I guess I can let that sucker down. I guess I had to have that side down over there, so that's what I'm gonna try to get that side down. Get that bolt out. Bring that side down, and I should be able to wiggle this axle free underneath here. I ain't worried about the speed sensor and stuff, because I think I messed that up when I did this the first time, so that for sure needs a speed sensor. All right, there's no easy way of doing this, so I'm just gonna try not to fall off my seat. Pull it over as far as I can. I'm so close. Ouch. Oh, that's how you get your axle back underneath your leaf spring. I think I'm about done for the night. Motivation's hard when you're laying on the ground. Working on stock stuff. Nothing to do with off-roading. The channel's called VeldesOffroading. I don't know, I'm thinking about making it the off-road mechanic. What do you guys think? Should I keep the name VeldesOffroading? Or should I change it to something more mechanic-like? Veldes a mechanicin? Or Veldes mechanic? Or Veldes garage? Or I don't know. I feel like I just can't produce enough off-road content here in Ohio. There's not a lot of places to go wheeling and stuff, so put down in the comments, tell me what you think. Veldes off-roading, should I keep it, or should I do like Veldes off-roading mechanic, or Veldes mechanicking, or something like that? I don't know. Tell me what you think down in the comments. So